Do you feel shortchanged at all when people call you an e-commerce firm?
Yeah, very much so. Yeah, because there's so much in e-commerce. I think e-commerce itself, the term has been watered down. It introduced, of course, this whole age of innovation that truly powered the internet. If at the end of the day you couldn't, transact commerce on the internet, there would be no internet. It's gotten a bit watered down though over the years, and that it doesn't really mean much. Or it gets fit into this really tight box of the cart. It's just the checkout. But in reality, the modern commerce platforms of today, they are becoming composable, and you can build essentially any experience on it for any channel. It's able to access that platform through APIs. It's able to leverage all the integration with the enterprise and third party that's already been done. So to build out these new channels that are going to continue to come, these new channels of innovation, e-commerce is going to be the engine that powers those experiences on the edge.